Hello viewers, welcome back to Robust Express Cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make a variety chicken recipe which is chicken kebab skewers. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Before we get into this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification.
Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of curd, and to this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of chili powder and garam masala powder, and half a teaspoon of fennel powder and cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it nicely. Now add the chicken cube pieces and capsicum. I have 3 colors of capsicum and 1 onion. Mix it nicely and add the crushed pepper.
Marinate the chicken for 45 minutes.
Let's arrange the chicken pieces, onions and bell peppers in the skewers. Place it in the baking tray and preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Delicious chicken kebab skewer is ready for serving.